Hey everyone. So this is why I have trust issues with this house. So I'm in the bathroom and there was this patch on the wall and it wasn't done very well, and I'm doing drywall work, so I'm like, alright, I'm gonna sand that down to make it smooth and then add some more drywall mud on top of it to really help smooth it out. So after I did some sanding, I noticed it was very, very thin and you could push it in. So I'm like, well, that's no good. So it turns out this is all that was on the wall. They put some mesh tape on there and like a thin coat of drywall mud. So that was all that was here for this wall. And I have a feeling they cut this out looking for some electrical wires, because I don't see any other reason. Maybe they were looking to put a one of those recessed toilet paper holders, but that wouldn't have been very effective because there's a stud in the way. So I have a feeling it was they did some kind of investigation for the wires, but I did find something kind of neat in the wall. An old piece of newspaper, and the date on there somewhere. It's the Rochester Democrat and Chronicle from Sunday, November 1st, 1970. Chances are this was put in the wall when the house was built, because the house was built in 1970. Fun little thing. And apparently they were having a band come into the local area, Blood, Sweat, and Tears, the Rochester War Memorial. And there's some advertisements from Sears for Kenmore washer, Kenmore dryer. Looks like there's some TV sets. On the opposite side, there's some Hot Wheels racetracks. So that's a pretty cool bit of history there. But now on to repairing this. So we're going to do the same thing as we've done elsewhere. We'll put a backer patch of wood . There's some mud that fell on the wall over here, so now we'll stick an actual piece of drywall in here. Alright, and we'll come back with some drywall patch. And I'm going to kind of just chisel this out so I can see it's bulging a bit. Drywall mud to take care of all that mess. Alright, so this going in the trash. And I'll come back and mud this up. So I think I'm actually going to come back to this later to finish up the taping. So I guess that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone.